everyone? Got a 22 BMW X3. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery.
So your first step to replacing the remote battery is, if you look on the left side of the remote right here, there's actually a button. And we're going to use that button to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Press it with our thumb, and we can pull it out, okay? Now we're going to turn the remote down, and we're going to remove this back part of the remote with a small flathead screwdriver. Now if we look, there's a little slot here that's made just for a little screwdriver. Stick it in here, and we're going to pry the cover right off, okay? It'll come right out. Then we'll turn the remote upside down, and we can pry the battery out. And I'll get a new battery, and I'll show you what size your BMW uses. All right, so new battery here. The size is the CR2032. Check the link down in the description box. That takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up a new battery for like $1. So if we notice here that we have a positive sign and a bunch of writing on it, that's going to be facing towards us or out. And with the remote upside down, we're going to stick it in here like this. It needs to slide in first, and then we can place it in, okay? And it'll click in there. Then we just reinstall the panel. The top half has to go in first because it has these little feet. Which can be a little tricky to get in there. There we go. And then we snap it down, and then we get our emergency key, stick it back in. All right, should snap together like that. We're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you leave me a comment, like, and subscribe.